Hello, how are you doing? I hope you're great. And today we have new updates on the Windows 11. As you see, go to my Windows and you see we have cumulative update for Windows 11 Insider Preview. It's build number 10.0.22621.2271. It's KGB number KGB503031.6, and this is cumulative update. I will show. Now I will download, as you see here, it's that build, and see what is in this update. You can go and Microsoft will open this site, and as you see, and we can see now, before we update, that we have snipping tool, new update snipping tool, discover more search highlighting, and use PC without mouse, Windows logo, and shift like plus enter. Notepad files is all in Windows, and apply new energy efficient setting from one place. You will see we have connect Bluetooth device. We have this quickly snipping tool, automatically save screenshots. We will use assist to organize files. Quickly start to create calendar even, and we have this. We will have this when we go to Windows accounts. We have see a backups PC to protect important info. We have here edit while when we write, set priority notifications. Here we have, we see here how it explain, right? Focus settings time play folder. Have been new file explorer, office, and family personalized emojis. So we have new personal emojis with clean up, create video. We have, and lots of stuff. We have swipe, new customize, start menu layout, improve performance settings, and essential mode, update control for fingerprint easily and see open again with single touch. Do not serve one. So guys, it's like I like that for that I can see what is new here on this update, and if I want, of course, if I want to update this, of course, it's everyone want to see what is new before it is start. That is great for this. I can pause or turn it off. You see, just click here and you will see what is new. I look what is new, and now of course I will download and install, but this is version, this and this is that version. Like I said, and just one thing, that is for beta version, I think. Let me see, I think yes, it's beta version, so go to beta version and we have lots of fixes on the beta version. So guys, now thank you for watching. Now I will take a screenshot for my thumbnails.